Your home is likely your most valuable possession. When disaster strikes, your choice of a restoration contractor is critical. The health and safety of your family is at risk due to potential exposure to mold, asbestos, and lead. Hello, my name is Steve Knight, and owner of QwikResponse. For over 30 years, we've taken care of customers struck by fire damage, water damage, mold, and other disasters. I want to give you a discount for just visiting my website today. Simply click on the button and I will give you an immediate coupon for your next project with us. At QwikResponse, we feel our job is to make your life easy. That means from start to finish, we handle everything. This includes emergency response, cleanup, reconstruction, insurance paperwork, just one call and we handle the rest. All of our work is protected by our exclusive 3-year warranty. That's 3 times the industry standard. Learn the details by clicking on the buttons on this page. Thank you.